Hi students, welcome back to All Force Maths class. Dear students, we have already completed two different forms of equation of straight lines. They are slope point form and 2 points form. Now I am coming to third form, that is slope intersect form. That form is slope intersect form. Okay. In this case, the equation of the line having the slope m and y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Third one is, please write the heading, third one is slope intersect form. The statement is, the equation of the line having the slope m and y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. First, the slope of the line is m and y-intercept of the line c is given. Now we find the equation of the line. Please observe this value. Suppose the line cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0. If the line cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0, then this small a is said to be x-intercept of this line. Suppose the line cuts the y-axis at capital B 0 comma B, then this B is said to be y-intercept of the line. Here, what is the y-intercept C? That means the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma C. Okay. First, given slope of the line is equal to m and y-intercept of the line is equal to c. Okay, that is the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c. Please observe this value. The line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c. The line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c means the line passes through the point 0 comma c. If the slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It is the equation of the line. Here slope m is given. The point x1 y1 is nothing but 0 comma c. Substitute these points in this equation. We get y minus c is equal to m of x minus 0. That means y is equal to mx plus c. It is the equation of the line in slope intersect form. Okay. If the line passes through origin, that means if c is equal to 0, this line passes through origin 0 comma 0. If c is equal to 0, this line passes through origin. In this case, the equation can be reduced into y is equal to mx. If the line passes through origin, then its standard form is y is equal to mx. Okay. Next, please write the note point. The equation of the line having the slope m and having x-intercept a is y is equal to m of x minus a. Okay. In this case, slope is given and x-intercept is given. If y-intercept is given, that point is 0 comma c. In this case, x-intercept is given. Slope is m and x-intercept is a. That means the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0. Slope of the line is m and the line cuts the x-axis at a. That means it passes through the point a comma 0. It is the point x1 y1. If the slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 means 0, y minus 0 is equal to m of x minus a. That implies y is equal to m of x minus a. If the slope and x-intercept are given, the equation of the line is y is equal to m of x minus a. Please note this point. Next, fourth one. Equation of line in intersect form. Very important form. Equation of line in intersect form. Suppose the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0, then a is said to be x-intercept. Suppose the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma b, then b is said to be y-intercept. In this case, the equation of the line in terms of A and B is said to be intersect form. Okay, please write this value. If a line cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0 and y-axis at capital B 0 comma B, then A is called x-intercept, small a is called x-intercept, and small b is called y-intercept of a line. Please note this diagram. A comma 0, it cuts the x-axis at A comma 0, so A is called x-intercept. Cuts at y-axis at B 0 comma B, B is said to be y-intercept. Okay, next. This is the statement. The equation of the line having x-intercept A not equal 0 and y-intercept B in bracket B not equal 0 is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Here A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept. Then equation of the line in intersect form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. It is the equation of the line. It is the equation of the line. Okay. In this case, what is given? The line cuts the x-axis, the x-intercept of the line is A. That means it cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0. Given A is x-intercept of the line. A is x-intercept of the line. Therefore, the line cuts the x-axis at capital A is equal to A comma 0 and B is the y-intercept of the line. Therefore, the line cuts the y-axis at B 0 comma B. Therefore, the line cuts y-axis at B 0 comma B. Okay. Please observe these values. In this case, the 2 points on the line are given. If the 2 points are given, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By using that, slope of the line AB, slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is this? Is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, please observe these values. y2 minus y1 means b minus 0 by 0 minus a. That means minus b by a. Slope m is already we find this value and 2 points are given. That means one of the point is available. So we use the slope point form. The equation of the line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here we take x1 y1 as a comma 0. That means y minus 0 is equal to m into what is the value? What is the value of m? M means minus b by a into x minus a. After cross multiplication, it can be reduced into ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. Okay, move this value to LHS. That means bx plus ay is equal to ab. By dividing on both sides with ab, we get bx plus ay by ab is equal to 1. That means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is the equation of the required line when x and y intercepts are given. Please note this value. Next, the equation of the line in intersect form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Please write the note points. If the line can passes through 0 comma 0, then what is the x-intercept and what is the y-intercept? If the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0, then a is said to be x-intercept. Cuts the y-axis at 0 comma b, then b is said to be y-intercept. Suppose the line passes through origin, that means 0 comma 0. It cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 means a is equal to 0. Okay, so x-intercept of that line is equal to 0. Similarly, it cuts the y-axis at 0 comma b. It cuts the y-axis at also 0 comma b. 0 comma 0. That means 0 comma 0 is 0 comma b. What is the value of b here? B is equal to 0. If the line can passes through 0 comma 0, then x-intercept is equal to 0 and y-intercept is equal to 0. In this case, we cannot write the given equation into intersect form. If x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, here a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. If a 0, b 0, this expression does not exist. Okay, please observe these values. Next, second one. Okay, first one, okay, if the line can passes through 0, 0, then x-intercept is equal to 0 and y-intercept is equal to 0. Suppose the line is horizontal line. Suppose the line is horizontal line. That means parallel to x-axis. If the line is parallel to x-axis, then it never cuts the x-axis. In this case, what is the x-intercept? It never cuts the x-axis. If the line cuts the x-axis at a, 0, then a is said to be x-intercept. It never cuts the x-axis. So, x-intercept does not exist. Similarly, if the line is parallel to y-axis, that means vertical line, parallel to y-axis. In this case, this line never cuts the y-axis. In this case also, the y-intercept does not exist. Please note these values. X-intercept of horizontal line is not defined. X-intercept of horizontal line is not defined. Third one, y-intercept of vertical line is not defined. Next, fourth one, area of the triangle formed by the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 with coordinate axis is of mod AB square units. The area of the triangle formed by the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 with coordinate axis is of mod AB. In this case, the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is the line, it cuts the coordinate axis at capital A, 0 and capital B, 0, B. Now, the required value is area of the triangle formed by this line with coordinate axis means both x and y axis. It is the x axis, it is the y axis. What is the area bounded by these three lines? This is the required area. This is the required area. It is the origin. Please observe this value. Angle between the x-axis and y-axis is always 90 degrees. The line cuts the x-axis at capital A, 0. What is the distance of this value? It is nothing but A. Okay. It cuts the y-axis at 0, B. What is this value? B. A, B are either positive or negative. If A lies in positive x-axis, A is positive. If the line is in this way, then A is negative. If the line cuts the positive x-axis, then B is positive. If the line cuts the negative y-axis, then B is negative. Please observe that values. In this case, it is A, it is B. If base and height are given, what is the area of the triangle? Of base into height. Okay. Please note this diagram. The given line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Given line. Let the line cuts the x-axis at capital A, 0 and y-axis at capital B, 0, B. Now, OA is equal to A, OB is equal to B. Okay. Therefore, required area is equal to area of triangle OAB. Please observe this value. The area bounded by the line and coordinate axis, x and y axis. Therefore, required area is equal to area of triangle OAB. What is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. That is equal to half into what is the base here? A into B. That is equal to half AB. But here AB may be positive or negative. That depends upon the positive x-axis or positive x-axis or negative x-axis. B is positive or negative. That depends upon positive x or negative. But area is always positive quantity. So we use of mod AB. Mod AB means it is always positive. So area of this triangle is of mod AB. Okay. Next, fifth one. The equation of the line passing through x1, y1 and having equal intercepts on the coordinate axis is x plus y is equal to x1 plus y1. The equation of the line passing through x1, y1 and having equal intercepts on the coordinate axis is x plus y is equal to x1 plus y1. Please write the proof. In this case, the line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. What is the equation of the line in intersect form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here a comma b are intercepts. In this case, equal intercepts means a is equal to b. From the given, the line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, that means a is equal to b. So, the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But b is equal to a. That means, what is this value? X by a plus y by a is equal to 1. That implies x plus y is equal to a. After LCM, x plus y by a is equal to 1. After cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to a. It is the required equation of the line. But a is unknown value. For getting a, the line passes through the point x1, y1. But the line passes through p x1, y1. So, substitute this point in this equation 1, we get, therefore, x1 plus y1 is equal to a. That means, what is the value of a? A is equal to x1 plus y1. Substitute the value of a in this equation. What is the equation of the line? X plus y is equal to x1 plus y1. If the line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate x and passing through x1, y1, then what is the equation of the line? X plus y is equal to x1 plus y1, direct formula. Suppose the line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. What is the equation of the line? X plus y is equal to 2 plus 3. That means 5. Simply. Okay. If the line passing through the point minus 10, 5 and makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, what is the equation of the line? X plus y is equal to minus 10 plus 5. That means x plus y is equal to minus 5. That means x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. In the same way, the equation of the line passing through x1, y1 and having equal intercepts but opposite sign. Having equal intercepts but opposite sign on the coordinate axis is x minus y is equal to x1 minus y1. X minus y is equal to x1 minus y1. Please observe this value. In this case, the line passes through the point x1, y1 but equal intercepts on the coordinate axis but opposite signs. What is the meaning of that value? Suppose the quantity is 2. X-intercept is 2. What is the y-intercept? Minus 2. Equal quantity but opposite sign. So, in this case, let us assume x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 with the line equation. That means, what is the relation between a and b? In this case, b is equal to minus a or a is equal to minus b. Since the line intercept the coordinate axis in equal magnitude but opposite sign. So, b is equal to minus a. From the given, b is equal to minus a. What is the equation of the line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That means, x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. Okay, that means x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. After LCM, it can be reduced into x minus y is equal to a. But the line passes through the point p x1, y1. Substitute this point in that value, we get x1 minus y1 is equal to a. So, what is the value of a? x1 minus y1. So, therefore, equation of the line is x minus y is equal to x1 minus y1. If the line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, that equation is x plus y is equal to x1 plus y1. If the line makes equal intercepts but opposite sign, then what is the equation of the line? X minus y is equal to x1 minus y1. Suppose the question is in this way. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 3 and makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis but opposite sign. What is the equation of the line? What is the line? X minus y is equal to x1 minus y1 means 2 minus 3. That means simply x minus y minus 1. That means x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? By substitution of these values, we find the equation of the line easy way. Okay? Next. 7th one. If A is to B is equal to M is to N, A means x-intercept and B is y-intercept. If A is to B is equal to M is to N, if the ratio of the intercepts is M is to N and the line passes through P x1, y1 and the line passes through P x1, y1, then the equation of the line is x by m plus y by n is equal to x1 by m plus y1 by n. In this case, what is the ratio of the intercepts? A is to B is equal to m is to n. Okay. What is the meaning of this? A by m is equal to B by n. Say this value is some constant k. A by m is equal to B by n. Proportional ratios. A by m is equal to B by n. Say this value is some constant k. So what is the value of A? A is equal to km and B is equal to kn. Now, what is the equation of the line in intersect form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. It is the equation of the line in intersect form. Here the value of A is km. That means x by km plus y by kn is equal to 1. Okay, this is the equation of the line. Here k is unknown value. So what is the common term here? 1 by k is the common term. That means 1 by k into x by m plus y by n is equal to 1. That means x by m plus y by n is equal to k. It is equation number 1. Here k is unknown value. We find the value of k by using the condition the line passes through the point p x1 y1. But the line passes through p x1 y1. Substitute this point in this value, equation 1, we get the value of k. Okay, by substitute this point in this value, x1 by m plus y1 by n is equal to k. So, substitute the value of k in equation 1, we get equation of the line is x by m plus y by n is equal to x1 by m plus y1 by n. Very, very, very important. If the ratio of the intercepts is m is to n and the line passes through x1 y1, then equation of the line is x by m plus y by n is equal to x1 by m plus y1 by m. Suppose the question is in this way. A is to b is equal to 2 is to 3 and the line passes through 1 comma 1. What is the equation of the line? Simply m is to n. Here it is in the form of m is to n. What is the value of m? 2. N value 2. So the equation of the line is x by m plus y by n is equal to x1 by m plus y1 by n. Substitute these values. That means x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. After simplification, we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. That is the answer. Okay, it is the shortcut method. Very, very important method. Next, 8th one. If the line cuts the coordinate axis at capital A comma capital B and P x1 y1 is midpoint of the line segment AB, then equation of the line is x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to. Equation of the line is x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to. Here the line cuts the coordinate axis at AB and the midpoint of AB is P x1 y1, then equation of this line AB is x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to. It is the answer. Okay. Say x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 be the equation of the line. Let x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 be the equation of the required line. Then automatically what is the value of A? A is equal to a comma 0 and b is equal to 0 comma b, since it cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma b. From the given, p is the midpoint of AB. Since p x1 comma y1 is midpoint of line segment AB. What is the meaning of this? x1 y1 is equal to midpoint of AB means if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points, what is the midpoint of that line segment? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That means a plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus b by 2. By equating the corresponding coordinates, that means first component and second components, we get x1 is equal to a by 2, y1 is equal to b by 2. That means a is equal to 2x1, b is equal to 2y1. These are the x-intercept and y-intercept. Substitute these values in this equation, we get the equation of the line. By substituting these values, it can be reduced into x by 2x1 plus y by 2y1 is equal to 1. What is the common term here? 1 by 2 is the common term. That means x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 1. That means what is the equation of the line? X by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 2. After cross multiplication, this is the equation of the required line. If the midpoint of the line segment AB is given, then equation of the line is x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to. Very, very, very important. Okay, please note this value. Next, continuation. Ninth one. If the line cuts the coordinate axis at capital A comma capital B, if the line cuts the coordinate axis at capital A comma capital B, and Px1y1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio of m:n, then equation of the line is nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to m plus n. In this case also, the line cuts the coordinate axis at A comma B. So, first let us assume the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. It is the equation of the required line. Let us assume x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. What is the value of A? A is equal to A comma 0, B is equal to 0 comma B. Okay, since the point Px1y1 divides the line segment AB in which ratio? P divides this value in the ratio of m:n. Please observe this value. By using the section formula, if A x1y1, it is the A x1y1, it is the B x2y2. P is any point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio of m:n. What is the formula? P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. By using that property, we find the relation between x1y1 and A comma B. Okay? Right? First this value. Let us assume the equation of the line be x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. That means A is equal to A comma 0, B is equal to 0 comma B. Since Px1 comma y1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio of m:n. Okay. Therefore, Px1y1 is equal to, what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here the ratio is m:n. m:n is equal to m:n. What is the value of x1y1? x1y1 is equal to A comma 0. x2y2 is equal to, what is the value? 0 comma B. By substituting these values in this equation, by substituting that values, that implies x1y1 is equal to, what is the value? mx2. m into x2 means, what is the value of x2? 0. m into 0 plus n into x1 means A by m plus n. Please observe these values. Next, my2, m into b plus n into y1, 0 by m plus n. Okay, that implies x1 y1 is equal to na by m plus n. Okay, comma, here mb by m plus n. By equating like terms, that means first components and second components, what is the meaning of this value? x1 is equal to na by m plus n. What is the value of A? A is equal to m plus n into x1 by A. Okay, here m plus n into x1 by n. A value is m plus n into x1 is equal to na. That means A is equal to m plus n into x1 by n. Similarly, what is the value of B? B, by equating this value, y1 is equal to mb by m plus n. That implies, what is the value of B? m plus n into y1 by m. Okay, these are the values of A comma B. But what is the equation of the line? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Substitute the values of A comma B in this equation, we get the equation of the line. Therefore, equation of line is x by A. What is the value of A? m plus n into x1 by n, okay, plus y by m plus n into y1 by m is equal to 1. After simplification, it can be reduced into nx by m plus n into x1, okay, plus my by m plus n into y1 is equal to value 1. Okay. Now 1 by m plus n is the common term. 1 by m plus n is the common term. So it can be reduced into nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to 1. That means nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to m plus n. It is the equation of the required line. Okay, please note this value.